Today we are having a starting weight of 3 pounds, 3.36 ounces, or 1.456 kilograms of yellow onions. After trimming and peeling them, I ran them on the slicer on the thin setting. As always, use a handguard when using the slicer. Saving a couple of seconds of time is just not worth the risk of getting blood on your onions. Nobody wants red onion powder. After trimming, we ended up with a weight of 2 pounds 9.76 ounces, or 1.86 kilograms. And this is how much we will be putting in the oven at 150 degrees. After slicing the onions, I went ahead and laid them out on racks. First rack is a pizza rack that can be had for, I think, $5.50. The other two racks are some old jerky racks I had laying around, and honestly, I couldn't tell you how much they cost because I probably had them for 15 years. Now, this will drive some people crazy, but as you'll see here in a little bit, it's not the end of the world if your onions touch or overlap when dehydrating. If I needed to, I wouldn't be scared to pile them up even more, as long as they're cut thin like this. Why would you want to make your own onion powder? Well, when you do, you know that the only thing in your onion powder is onions. And there's always the satisfaction of making something yourself. I can't honestly tell you how long it took for these to dry because I was not able to tend to them the whole time. But these were in the oven for 15 hours at 150 degrees. They were definitely more than dry enough. As I hinted at before, making your own onion powder, make sure that there's no chemicals in your powder, assuming that your onions are clean. If you raise your own onions and make your own onion powder, you're guaranteed to have clean, chemical free powders. Also, you would not believe how much more flavor fresh ground onion powder has. When mixing your own seasons, using spices that you ground yourself just puts them up on a whole new level. I just use a coffee grinder to grind everything up, and usually I just dump it straight into a jar. This time though, I was trying to measure it out so we could see exactly how much we got, so I decided to use a funnel. As you can see, it wasn't the greatest idea. So then I tried to use another funnel, and well, yeah, scratch that. There's the first 10 tablespoons, and after grounding the rest, we ended up with 13 tablespoons in total. And there you have it, folks. That's how you make onion powder. Nothing to it. Have a good day.